Today we are going to be talking about figurative language. Figurative language is a way that we can add more interesting details to what we write or what we talk about. And it's a way to understand what authors oftentimes use that you might be reading as you read a book or another kind of text. So taking a look at my question, how do I write with style? There are many different types of figurative language. We are just going to look at 3 of them today. The first one is called alliteration. Go ahead and say that. Alliteration. Alliteration is when you have several words that start with the same sound. Miguel makes masterpieces. You can see that many of those words start with the same sound. Carla calls the cat to come. Let me move that one over, as well as this one. Sorry, they're a little bit off. So this one, you can see that the first letter isn't the same for each one, but the first sound is the same. Alliteration goes by sound. Carla calls the cat to come. Here's another one that has the same sound. Alex asks for an apple. Again, it has the same initial sound for a number of the words in the phrase or the sentence. Why do authors do this? Well, it gets your attention. It's catchy. People notice it. Many times newspaper writers might do this for the title of their article that they're writing. So next time you're looking at a newspaper, a magazine, or an article that's assigned to you, take a look to see if it has alliteration. Number 2, sound words. The fancy academic way to say sound words is onomatopoeia. Go ahead and try it. Onomatopoeia. These are those fun words to add into your stories or whatever you're writing. Boom, crash, snap, ring, crackle, pop, ouch, boing, ba-boom, crack. Those are words that, again, get readers' attention, makes you feel like you're there because you can actually hear what's going on. And here's the third way. The third way is something called a simile. Say that word. Simile. A simile is when you're comparing two things that are probably very different from each other, but you're using words like as or like. If I want to compare a little brother and a gorilla, two very different things, I could put it together like this. My brother is as crazy as a gorilla. You probably got a smile on your face because you pictured how crazy that little brother would probably be. Here's another one. The cat is like a statue. Maybe if that cat is looking for that mouse and is just planning its next move or plotting its next move, it might be very still, just like a statue would be. Those are 3 kinds of figurative language that you can use to make your writing more interesting.